What was it? Welcome back to the vlog,
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of
Florida.
except. We're gonna take this intake manifold off. Push this on there. Make sure it's on there first before you start turning it. It's not. Make sure it's on there all the way. If you need to take this and turn this, you turn it. No, just turn the whole thing like that. The bottom one is taken off. Okay, it's out. Put that down. Put the drill down. Go get a Ziploc bag. Yep, have them take the intake manifold off. That way, we need to get to some of the sensors because there's a sensor down here, and this one's broken. I don't know what this is. Probably like if it's a I don't think this is a crank position or knock sensor or something. So there's a hose right here on the S60 that we need to break loose. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, lift it up and pull it off. Go ahead. You have to lift this end up. Remember, this end is on a screw. Get over that. Hold on. Hold it. Alright, go put that on the table. So this right there is the intake manifold gasket. See, that's the screw. You'd have to do all of that to get that screw. So take that screw and put it in here. What are you doing in the screw hole, man? You trying to mess the engine up? We'd have to take the whole head off if you put the screw in there. That's good enough. You're just putting it on there to hold this in place. This is the gasket. We may have to get a new one, but this one looks fine. But and then on this, going right intake manifold. So I'm gonna take this one. There's another cut harness. So I'm gonna take this off. All right, so that's off. Alright, so this is where we stand right now. Oh, that's so good. Whew, it's hot. So we got this off. This is here. I think we're gonna take this off. Whoa! Actually, we might be able to. Oh, nope, we don't have to take it off. We'll leave that on. So we don't have to take that off. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the accessories. We're gonna take the accessories off of this, and we're gonna put it on that. So first things first, we're gonna have to take this belt off. It's like a little drive belt for the. This is the
Power steering.
Yep, power steering. What's this? Charges the battery. It's an alternator.
Alternator.
And then what's this?
The water pump?
No, AC compressor. This is the water pump.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and, this is a tensioner pulley. We're gonna move this, oh, man. And then we're going to take the belt off. Okay, so how this works is there's a spring, and what it do is it holds pressure on this belt to keep pressure on it. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna find out which way we get the pressure off the spring, which is this way. So what I'm gonna need you to do, but you're gonna have to hold this, because if not it's gonna snap back and catch your finger. You're gonna push down on this and you're gonna slide this belt off all the way while you're holding this, and then easily let it release its own tension. Go ahead. Okay, it's off. Now easily let it release its own tension. You don't gotta be that easy, but now take the ratchet off and take the belt off. Did you remember how the belt go on? Did you look to see how you're gonna put the belt back on?
Just thing right here.
And what else?
It's gonna come over here.
And what else?
It's gonna come over here.
Okay.
It's gonna root back. And it's gonna place right. Yeah. I'm gonna place it back right here.
Then why we got all this extra belt? What's gonna happen right here?
Do it like this.
That's a lot of extra belt. Don't worry about it. But usually when you're taking something off like this, you always want to look how it went before you take it off. If you think you're not gonna remember or it's gonna be a while, take a picture of it. Worst case scenario, you could look it up on the internet. So I was gonna take the belt and put it up here, make sure it hangs loose, because we're gonna reuse that belt. So we always look what we're gonna do next. So what we're gonna do next is take this pump off. So I think that's like a 12. So you come in here, you find a 12. We're not gonna use this. Let's put this up here for right now. That's why we have battery operated tools to make the job easier. So it's a 12. Get that? All right, peeps. So we're at a stopping point for today. We still gotta go over there and clean up our tools as usual. But RJ's here. We're gonna tell us what you did today.
So we took off the power steering, the alternator, and the AC compressor. And we took off this timing belt. Timing belt?
That's like a drive belt. This is the timing belt. This is the timing belt right here.
And we took off the drive belt.
So what's that on the ground right there?
That's the alternator.
Okay, what's that?
The AC compressor.
What's this?
The power steering.
Okay, so we took all of that off. We took this bracket off. This bracket holds all the stuff. So I just sprayed it down. We got a couple more stuff to swap off of this engine to this engine from this engine. So what else you want to tell the peeps?
Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell for post notifications.
Alright, so when do you expect to have this engine in and running?
Before the first day of school, obviously the first.
What's the day?
The 29th? Yeah, the 29th.
So you think you'll be driving the first day of school?
Nah. I don't
That's the
think
plan?
they open school.
Oh, okay. So there's that one. This is the old one. I guess that's still the old one too, it's just from the junkyard. So now we're about to go over here as we do every day and clean up all the tools and put them up so we're ready for the next time. Also, I think next week I'm going to start a new series on Thursdays, you know, tool review Thursdays. So I'll just go over like the different tools, you know, like this, what I use it for, what I think, you know, the price, let everybody know what it is. So we're gonna clean up our tools, lock up the box, close up, and go home.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. I'm well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women, buddy.